Learner Academy welcomes you all to this session. This is Suja Alex from St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Nagarkoil. In this session, I would like to discuss few multiple choice questions of CS8392 Object Oriented Programming subject. Let's move on to MCQ part. The first unit is Introduction to Object Oriented Programming and Java Fundamentals. Now we can see the questions. The first question is, what does a class in Java hold? We have the options variables, methods, constructors, inner classes, all the above. Actually, a class contains variables, methods and constructors. Within one class also we can create another class called inner class. Hence, a class contains variables, methods, constructors and inner classes. So, the correct answer is all the above. Now you can see second question. Which feature provides reusability? The options are abstraction, inheritance and encapsulation. The already written code can be reused with the help of inheritance only. Hence, the correct answer is inheritance. Now we can move on to third question. Which class is a class that inherits from one or more base classes? The answer is subclass, because subclass inherits variables and methods from one or more base classes. Okay. Next question number 4. Encapsulation is binding data and code. True or false? Yeah, it's correct. So the answer is true. Next question is identify a process in which one object can acquire the properties of another object. Through inheritance only, one object or class can derive or inherit all the properties of another class or object. So the correct answer is inheritance. Next question number 6. Which is the parent class from which another class inherits? Actually, superclass is also called parent class. From this superclass, another class can be derived. Hence, the correct answer is superclass. Okay. Next question number 7. What is an object? Object is an instance of a class. Next question is, which among the following is called first automatically whenever an object is created? Actually, constructor is called when an instance or object of the class is created. So, the correct answer is constructor. Next question is, which of the following is not an example of a Java keyword? The options are class, int, sum, new. Except sum, other options are keywords only. That is, class, int, new are the keywords. Hence, the correct answer is sum. This is not a keyword. Next question is, which of the following is a correct statement in Java that displays the string hello world? The correct statement is system.out.println of hello world. So why we rejected first and last? Because in the first option the letter S is small in the word system, and in the third option the letter O is capital. So these options are wrong statements. Okay, so the correct option is option B. Next question is, what's the command used in the command prompt to compile a Java program? The correct one is JavaC command. JavaC command is used to compile any Java source code. Next question is, the Java compiler generates what? We have the options source code, bytecode, HTML. Java compiler generates class file that contains the bytecode. Okay, so the correct answer is bytecode. Java compiler generates bytecode. Okay, next question is, this is a named storage location in the computer's memory. The correct answer is variable. That is, variable is a named storage location in the computer's memory. Actually, this is the definition of variable. Next question is, which is not feature of object-oriented programming in general definitions? Code reusability and modularity are the features of object-oriented programming, but duplicate or redundant data is not a feature of object-oriented programming. So, in this case, the answer is the last. Okay, the last option is the answer. This one is not a feature of object-oriented programming. Next question is, what's the size of float variable? Option C is correct. That is 4 bytes or 32-bit is the size of float variable. We can move to the next question. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means many forms. That is, it's the ability of an object to take on many forms. So, the correct answer is option B. Polymorphism is the ability of an object to take on many forms. Next question is, JDK, that is Java Development Kit, contains JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and Development Tools. True or false? Yeah, it's true. Next question is, which of the following is not true for Java? The option 1, Java Virtual Machine is responsible for converting bytecode into machine-specific code, is correct. The second option, we only need JRE to run Java programs, yeah, it's correct. JDK is required to compile Java programs, is also correct. But in the last option, JRE does not contain JVM, this is wrong. Actually, JRE contains JVM. So, in this case, the correct answer is option D. Next question is, who invented object-oriented programming? Correct answer is Alan Kay. Next one is, which of the following best defines a class? Instance of an object defines a class. So the correct answer is option B, instance of an object. Okay, next question is, pure object-oriented programming can be implemented without using class in a program. So what may be answer? Either true, false. We have many more options, maybe, cannot say. So what's the exact answer? Actually, in this case, the answer is false, because without using class, we cannot implement object-oriented programming. Next question is, how many classes can be defined in a single program? Options are only one class, only 100 classes, only 1000 classes. Finally, we have one more option, as many as you want. That is, any number of classes can be defined in a single program. So the answer is as many as you want. Option D. Next question is, if your function can perform more than one type of task where the function name remains same, which feature of object-oriented programming is used here? The correct answer is polymorphism. Next, question number 24. We have a few more questions. The feature by which one object can interact with another object is, we have to discuss this. Actually, message passing is a feature in object-oriented programming. Through this only one object can interact with another object. So the answer is message passing. Okay. Next question is, object-oriented programming provides better security than procedure-oriented programming, POP. It's true for any programming language such as C++, Java. So the correct answer is option A, always true for any programming language. Next question is, which among the following is not true for polymorphism? Polymorphism is a feature of object-oriented programming. Okay, it's given in the first option. And the second option, that is, it redefines the same functionality. Okay, it's true. Next, the last option we have to discuss. Now we are going to see the next question. Which among the following is not true for polymorphism? We have to discuss this question, then we can find the correct answer. Actually, polymorphism is a feature of object-oriented programming. Okay, it's given the first option. The second option says that it redefines the same functionality. Yeah, it's true. But redefining is not a overhead. Okay, so the correct answer is option D. It increases overhead of function definition always. It's not true for polymorphism. Next question is, which among the following best defines abstraction? Abstraction actually hides the implementation and shows only essential features. So the correct answer is option D, that is hiding the implementation and showing only the features. Next question is, how can encapsulation be achieved? Access specifier is a case that regulates the access to classes, variables and methods in Java. So, access specifier achieves encapsulation. So, the option A is correct. Next question, parameterized constructor has a specific number of parameters, true or false? Yes, it's true. Okay, now we are going to see the last question. Which one of the following is wrong? Option B, a square bracket equal to new int of 5 semicolon is wrong way of declaring an array. All the other options are correct. Okay, now we can submit these answers. We can see the score. Yeah, we got full score. Thank you all.